B.
Map. Can you please say map? This is a world map. Map.
B.
Lap. Can you please say lap? The girls hold a book in their laps. Lap.
B.
Nap. Can you please say nap? The cats are taking a nap. Nap.
B.
Tap. Can you please say tap? The cat is near the tap. What is this? Map. What is this? Lap. What is this? Nap. What is this? Tap. Goodbye. I'll see you later.